Sinong mag-aakala na ang dating pangserye lamang ay mauuwi sa totohanan? Ito po ang kwento ni Ruel at ni Rachel. Ang dalawang pinagtagpo kahit sobrang magkalayo. Two years ago, nakilala natin si Rachel. Napakasimple, napakasipag, at napakaganda kahit hirap ang kanilang pamilya. Napabahayan din natin sila at ngayon, isa na rin siyang ganap na vlogger na nakakatulong sa kanyang pamilya. Years ago din, nang maipakilala natin sa kanya si Ruel, ang aking pinsan, na nagmula naman sa Malala. Sa una ay for good vibes or serye lamang. Ngunit pagkalipas ng ilang panahon na aming pag-vlog ay may nabubuo na palang pag-iibigan.
Tanging pag-asa kaya mabuhay kung lalayo ka.
At ngayon sa vlog na ito, sa napakagandang debut ni Rachel, sama-sama natin tunghayan upang masagot ang katanungan kung magiging official na kaya.
Sino ay magiging Soga? Paalam ako kay Ate Rizan, sa tito mo. Alam na din ng mga kapatid mo. Yan, gagawin yung nagdaanan natin. Nagsama tayo sa... Sabi man. Kasiyahan, kalungkutan, iyakan. At syempre, hiligan. Nandiyan ay Kalinga Brown at Vincent Calyada, Team Kalinga. Thank you so much kasi na nagpapagawa ng buhay na-describe ko sa interview ni Kuya Red Novena. Ito, ikaw siguro ito. And wala na akong palampasin mo, wala akong hanapin ka. Kasaga, I have a question.
Bakit ba ako'y
working in the event industry, I met a lot of beautiful people in the industry. One, of course, is my favorite, Mr. Val Matubang, whose son, Mr. Rob Matubang, is here honoring us for tonight. Thanks, Rob, and your beautiful family. They are the only people I know in the world of vlogging. But then again, fortunately, when these people have blessed our dearest birthday girl for tonight, I come to realize that it's very important for all of us to at least be authentic, be original, and to express ourselves freely at the same time. And that's exactly who and what Rachel is all about this time. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Marianne Quintel, and my greatest honors and pleasure of introducing to everybody the beautiful family of our Rachel May, our dearest Langga. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give our grandmother. Ladies and gentlemen, his 18th birthday, being the father of our dearest Rachel May. Please welcome in a big hand for our father, Mr. Rayson Morales. A round of applause. A big hand for our mother. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to please give the beautiful family of our dearest Langga the biggest round of applause. For being with our families tonight, as I always believe, most of us here have been the closest to the hearts of our dearest Langga. Some of you have seen her when she was trying to walk, not really steadily. Of course, her wobbly feet, her wobbly knees would always be a reminder for all of us that this night is the night that we embrace her to the world of adulthood. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to please watch with us the beautiful journey of our dearest Langga, our Rachel May. Let's watch this. a round of applause.
Bakit ba ako'y laging ganito? Lagi akong di mo pinapansin. Para na lang akong laging sumusunod sa gusto mo. Lagi kitang inaalala kahit di mo ako pansin. Honey, my love, so sweet.
You've always been there, so darling. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to please stand as we honor the real reason of our joys and excitement, embracing her in the world of adult. Please welcome, and a big hand for the one and the only Rachel May, our dearest Langga. A big hand.
Father, we thank you for gathering all of us today in this important endeavor. We ask that you bestow your guidance and blessings upon each of everyone. May we honor one another by keeping an open mind. May we voice our truth and listen with an open heart. Bless everyone present today, and that each may be able to share his and her contributions and gifts. Grant good health and safety to loved ones left outside this event, and bestow peace and goodwill to all of us. We ask for your wisdom and grace to use our talents for the betterment of others. May the various activities related to this special day of Rachel be a success through your intervention with gratitude. We offer this prayer in your name. Amen.
Since our birthday girl is now ready to take on a new challenge, Rachel May I have you pay attention to your father as he presents to you your first ever bouquet of flowers for tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Rayson Morales for his daughter Rachel May. Palakpakan po. to recognize and honor our dearest mom. Mom couldn't go anywhere. She would always stay in our hearts forever. Mom, please stay beside your daughter because I'm calling this time the siblings of our Rachel May. Please welcome Miss Catherine Althea, Mr. Ian Chris, Miss Charlene Kay, and Miss Hazel Ann. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as we always say, we might have all the material things in the world, but if we do not have our families, what else do we have? We have our dearest family. Lambda has her family, and she has been blessed. All together with our aunt and uncle, Mr. Bench and Mrs. Maribel Bustamante, together with our dearest Tito Donat and their children. Maraming salamat po. And everyone, you may be seated this time. Thank you very much, Papa. I love the look in your eyes. It makes me feel so unique. Thank you. And this time, may we kindly call the family of our dearest Mr. Roel Matubang. May we have the mother and father and the siblings of our Sir Roel. Ang mga magulang po at ang mga kapatid ni Sir Roel. May we have them. May we be kindly introduced to the mother and father of our dearest Roel. Hi, Mama. Good evening po. And the sisters of our dearest Roel. Thank you. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Matubang, for raising a son like your Roel. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the family of your Dodong. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you. And God bless everybody. Thank you so much. We may all be seated. Folks, as your host for tonight, myself is not enough to welcome you, but I really believe that this gentleman from our family must do the part. Would you please welcome this time to our dearest uncle to formally welcome us all and listen to his words of thanks. A big hand for Mr. Arnel Tito Donat Morales. Halakpakan po.
Isang magandang gabi po sa ating lahat at maraming salamat po sa lahat ng dumalo sa ika-18 kaarawan ng aking pamangkin si Rachel. At very happy po kami and very appreciated po namin ang lahat ng pumunta, lalong-lalo yung mga galing sa malalayo from Mindanao, Visayas, and Metro Manila. Siyempre, from North Luzon. And siyempre, nagpapasalamat din po ako sa buong Team Kalingap and sa buong community ng Kalingap. And then, sa mga sumusuporta, TRFG family, Trusa family, RMM family, RFI family, ano ba, baka marami akong makalimutan. Siyempre, sa lahat ng Rochelle, sa lahat ng Rochelle fans, sa lahat ng grupo ng Rochelle. And sa Darak with Rachel, ayan, thank you very much. And then sa grupo ni Roel, ayan, thank you sa mga reactors na nandito. Welcome po sa ating lahat. At siyempre, sa aming mga kaibigan, kina Kuya Red, kina Ate Lorny, ayan, kina Kalinga Prab, siyempre, andito sila Kalinga Prab, ang K-Boys, ayan, thank you very much. Kila Aljon, thank you very much. And welcome po kayong lahat. And then, maging masaya po tayo ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po.
It's not all the time that we need to laugh, okay? But we need to strike a balance. Baby, you're 18. It is a whole different world. Ladies and gentlemen, setting her free, of course, is the father. May I have Mr. Rayson Morales this time to perform a very important tradition with his daughter, Rachel May. Let's give them a round of applause. Our dearest Rachel May is wearing her pair of, what do we have? Rubber shoes. Surprisingly, our Rachel is wearing her rubber shoes. Ladies and gentlemen, the rubber shoes that she would always wear. And tonight, Since she is now celebrating her 18th birthday, she is now ready to take on the real world. For us ladies, shoes have been the symbol that encourages, I meant to encourage, all of course the confidence that we need to walk through in this lifetime with so much joy, with so much appreciation and brave heart. And that is why we're having this very important tradition and ceremonies for Iris Rachel May, so that she would always have this confidence that whatever happens, might she fly as high as she could, and wherever she would fall, there would always be the family who would always catch her no matter what. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give the father and daughter a round of applause. Thank you. Story of a father who's actually making her daughter feel free to taste the real world. Thank you so much, Mr. Morales. For making her see the real world. Palagpakan naman po natin. Papa Rizal, you have an official, lady in the family. Thank you.
Back when I was a child,
Dedicated to the mother of our dearest Rachel May. For all of us, ladies and gentlemen, once again, a big hand on the dance floor. Palakpakan po.
and help me face them right through the years. Oh, I was lost. If I could get another chance, another dance with her, I went on and on. How I love with my mother once more.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big hand for the father and our debutant on the dance floor. And who would have the next special dance? Please welcome is the brother, Mr. Ian Chris Morales. Let's give him a big hand. Please welcome this time Mr. Christopher Dais. Let's give him a round of applause. Mr. Christopher Dais. Mr. Edward Dais. A big hand. Please welcome Mr. Christian Marian. Again, for Mr. Joshua Amano. Here we go for Mr. Ivan Camacho. Please give applause. Joining our birthday girl for the next dance, I'm Mr. John Nino Freira. So next, with our dearest Rachel, please welcome Mr. Aaron Achenza. To honor our birthday girl on the dance floor, please welcome Mr. Ian Chester Ramirez. Round of applause. Mr. Justin Aguirre. And while the moment is beautiful, let us share it with our next gentleman. A big hand for Mr. John Payne Espanol. To have the honors of dancing next with our dearest Rachel, please welcome Mr. Arjon Alicando. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, for our next special one, please welcome Mr. Dan Matuba. Let's give him a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, to the next one, to this guy who actually may have made this thing happen for our dearest Rachel, please welcome and a round of applause for Mr. Ram Matuba. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give Mr. Ram Matuba a round of applause together with our birthday girl, Rachel. We always save the best for last. Ladies and gentlemen, singing the song, Honey My Love So Sweet, by Mr. Leonito Monserrate. A big hand for our dearest one, Dodong, Mr. Roel Matuba. Let's give them a round of applause.
Kung laging sumusunod sa gusto mo, kitang inaalala, lagi mo ako singing, Honey, my love, so sweet. Hindi mo pinapansin, hindi ako nagagalit sa iyo ng iyong
of you, sir, for making it extra beautiful for our Rachel. Maraming salamat po. Gentlemen, look at the camera. Closer. Okay. Stand on your side. Thank you. Can we move on your mask? Reveal to us your real identity. Wow! Parang mga naman po natin. We have a league of beautiful ones right here. Yes, thank you. Oh, that's it. Oh my goodness. Undeniably, you're really beautiful. You're pretty people. Yeah, of course. This time, may I have these beautiful ladies, Miss Kitty Bam and Miss Maricar Villohan, to present the Trusome Money Bouquet from our friends from the U.S. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you. That is the Team Rochelle, United States of America, presenting the money bouquet worth 18,000 pesos. Palakpakan po. And they're being represented by Miss Kitty Bam and Miss Maricar Villohan. And of course, folks, it's not that, baby. It's not that. I have another surprise for you. There is this money bouquet from Tita Libby Phillips and Tita Divina Phillips from the USA. May we have that someone who's carrying the bouquet of flowers from Tita Divine Phillips. Oh, that's it. Thank you so much. Palakpakan po natin. This is from Tita Libby Phillips and Tita Divina Phillips from the USA. Ma'am, please have your pictures taken naman po with our langga. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who are not aware, who's Tita Divine Phillips, that's the beautiful lady right there on our screen. Palakpakan naman po natin. Ma'am Libby and of course, Ma'am Divina Phillips. They are both in the U.S. Thank you very, very much and God bless you. May this favor be returned to you thousandfold. Ma'am, thank you. What would be your name?
Jim po.
Ma'am Jean, maraming salamat po for extending to our Rachel. Now, babe, I knew for a fact that you have been so generous and so loved.
Happy birthday, Ate May. Alam naman natin na simula mga bata pa lang tayo magkakasundo na talaga tayo. Kaya sana ngayong legal age ka na, hindi pa rin magbago yung pagiging kilingin mo sa aming mga kapatid mo. Lalo na sa amin ni Ali. Wish ko lang sa'yo na lagi kang healthy, masaya. Uy, mga umiyak, ano ba? At sana lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo pa makamit mo. Tsaka lagi kang lagi kang mag-iingat. Mag-aaral ka ng mabuti. Dahil na birthday mo ngayon, enjoy your day, syempre. Idadma mo muna yung mga bashers mo na yan. Special day mo ngayon, isipin mo na once in a life lang tong magiging ka. Kaya sulitin mo tong araw na to. Huwag mo munang isipin lahat ng mga problema mo. Bukas na lang yan. Ay, may event pa pala bukas. Sa sunod na araw na lang. Siyempre man, tatandaan mo na lagi kami nandito na nakasuporta sa'yo. Kung may problema ka, sabihin mo sa amin, magkwento ka. Nandito lang kami. Dahil mo kimunta, maraot yan. Yan lang naman, ganun ba yan? Lagi mo rin tatanda na mahal kita, Ate May. Yun lang, happy birthday ulit. I love you. Dahil naranasan mo to, wish ko for you na lagi kang healthy, more birthday to come. Stay pretty and kind. Thank you, Ate May, sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa akin na sa tuwing may pinagdadaanan ako. Kahit ano man yan, good or bad, always friend. Lagi ka nandyan para makinig sa akin. Masaya ako at nakaka-appreciate ko at ang mga ginagawa mo sa amin. I'm always here to you. I'm always here to support you and lagi I'm grateful kasi may ate akong katulad mo. Happy birthday ulit.
So I am inviting everybody to please be outside of the hall to witness the fireworks display.
Sino ba yung hindi mo na 11 months? Lagi natin at isang nakalaga. So God, para na ko kay Ate Rizan, sa tito mo, alam na din ng mga kapatid mo. Yan, grabe yung pinagdaanan natin. Diba? Nagsama tayo sa kasiyahan, kalungkutan, iyakan. At syempre, hiligan. Nandiyan ni Kalinga Prab at Vincent Aliada, Team Kalinga. Thank you so much kasi natagpuan ko ang isang babae na-describe ko sa interview ni Kuya Red Novena. Ito, ikaw siguro ito. And wala na ako, papalampasin pa, wala ka na ako ito. Saga, I have a question.
Bakit ba ako'y